to my crib.
Building a campervan can be expensive. That's insane. And you could build a campervan for £5. Literally open the door, chuck a sleeping bag inside, you're ready to go. But we want to build something that's going to last 10, 20, 30 years. This is something that we're going to travel in, but also potentially live in if we were ever to buy a piece of land and build our own home. We're going to show you our plans in the real space and what it costs.
Because I was a bit like, is that overkill? But also...
You can't overdo it with insulation in a van. You can't.
It's a van for all weathers.
And stick around because we're going to ask you guys to vote on something pretty epic.
And she's ready! Yay!
Take it away.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return.
Are you ready? First trial. Wait, how really shit one. Hey?
Oh, it looks so comfortable.
Oh yeah, that's great.
Oh, well, look.
Look.
Just.
You do. I have two peas on a... I would... Yeah, let's sleep this way.
Top and tail.
I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So it's been a hot minute. We started working on this van about nearly 2 years ago, and then about a year and a half ago we stopped. There were loads of things like birthdays, weddings, a broken arm, we had to move house, Dan had to move workshops, there was a whole bunch of things. So we haven't touched her in a little while, and we thought it was about time we get this done. Because it's been quite a while, we've got a bit of rust to sort out. Things have been quite a while, we've got a bit of rust to sort out. I've got some back on the door, back of the van, not sure what we've done so far, I'm going to take it off, see where we're at. I can't wait. Your support means the world. It means that hopefully we'll actually get this done. So if you like and subscribe, it makes all the difference. And from the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much for doing that already. You know where it's at. If you feel like buying us a coffee to keep us going as well, because Lord knows we need it, the link's down below. Thanks so much, guys. Let's get this done.
We found the right wire. Yay!
Yay! Woohoo!
Right, now we've just got to tidy up this mess of cables.
What?
The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, the morning light. Oh.
So we're going to mock up our layout. One thing looking at it in a diagram and another feeling it in the space. So Dan is actually going to trust me with the skill saw. I don't fall.
I've already scratched myself. Yay!
Grabbed my wrist and I was like, I've broken my arm, I've broken my arm, I've broken my arm, I've broken my arm. So this is roughly what we're thinking.
This is our bench seat sofa area. Under here we're not going to have a gas tank. It'll be the boiler for the hot water and the heater.
We're gonna have all of these seats swivel round. So I'd love to be able to create like an L-shaped sofa and have it all lined up so it's at the same height. We're gonna have a lagoon table here so that it's totally movable between the two spaces. Something very cool we're thinking about. The reason why we wanted up this I'm very proud of myself that I made all this, by the way.
Yeah, oh, and the hop up underneath it. Yeah.
Yeah. Stop it. So, the reason why we put our seat here is because we want to be able to look out at the beautiful view. I know a lot of people put their showers here. We want to be able to have our shower close to the clothes, close to the bed.
Then we've got walk-in shower and pull-out loo, which is going to be a composting loo.
We want a nice, sizable shower. Which this feels good, you know, you're not going to bang your elbows too much. When we went on our trip to Italy, the shower in
the camper that we hired.
It was great to have it all in there, but you literally had to pull the curtain around you, not get anything else wet. But the curtain just like sucked to you. So you were like trying to shower like that. Hi. That wasn't very practical.
And then we're going to have the fridge up here because we just think, you know, we don't want to bend down all the time to get your beer out. Charging station above that, a couple of drawers for storage, and then underneath that, obviously the toilet will be in the shower room on drawer runners.
We're thinking we might have a bit of space here just to put like a pull out so that we've also got something between the fridge and the bed.
For noise.
For noise, because we don't know how noisy it's going to be, but we've seen other people do it in their vans, so we think that'll be good.
They're jazz hands.
They're van jazz hands.
So the bed at the back, we've got a couple of side pods that we're going to be putting on. They're currently at the sprayers. And this is the kitchen area. We're going to have the sink here, bin underneath, bit of work surface, prep area. We're going to have some 240 volt sockets on the wall. And then the cooker oven arrangement, and then a flip up bit of worktop.
the cooker here rather than down there.
Max air fan right above it. Of course, if it's freezing cold, we're not going to have the door wide open. We're gonna have the max air fan on full chat.
I didn't even think about that.
And it's going to wick away any moisture.
Moisture, we do not want the moisture. And also it's nice, you know, you can cook and look out at the beautiful view.
Not so beautiful at the moment.
Looking at my beautiful skip. I know people put the sink here so that they can spray their feet before they come in and stuff, but we're thinking we'll just have a sprayer at the back.
Definitely.
And then you've got the shower anyway. And how often do people actually use it? I don't know. Tell me if we're making a mistake. I'm really excited. The thing that excited me the most was having this skylight and being able to sleep under the stars. I mean, isn't that mega? I was about to say everyone's dream. I know everyone's dream's different, but that's our dream. And then we'll be able to pop up onto the roof if we want to.
So in the garage area, obviously we're going to have the freshwater tank and all the electrics on both sides, and then we're going to have a big pull-out drawer so that we can then mount our push bikes to it, or just use it for storage. But it's also easy access.
Let's sit on our new sofa that I built with my own hands. Don't fall down, dear. Is that comfy? Just imagine it now with a cup of coffee and a croissant.
What are we talking about then?
Looking out. We've got a spreadsheet of schedule, we've got prices, and I'll show you what the price is so far. We'll totally keep you in the loop of what we spend on this because it's
mega bucks.
Mega. My work tools for today: coffee, laptop. So the next stage, what's the
next stage is clear all of this crap out.
You mean everything that I built?
Yeah, it's gotta go.
I still can't believe you trusted me with the skill saw.
I think you did well.
Thanks.
I mean, just look at this.
No.
Look at this for a prime cut.
No.
Oh, you can't see it.
Oh, it's so clean.
It's a good cut. It's a good cut.
Finish the floor, vinyl floor. Then the next stage will be the plumbing and the electrics.
First fix, yeah. So yeah, there's a bit of a list of things to do.
We'll do time lapses of everything, don't worry. So you guys, in the comments, let us know where you would like us to go first when this camper van is done. Our 3 options to choose from: A.
Yeah. Scotland.
B. Ireland, because I've never been and I'd love to go.
Yeah.
C.
Welsh Wales.
Well, that's all.
Back again.
We've regrouped. Do we have to keep it close to home? Because we're not going to have really much money for petrol at the end of all this. So we're thinking A for Scotland.
Yeah, we can either go Scotland or
B for
Portugal.
C
For Norway.
But comment down below, tell us where we should go. Or indeed just say all.
All of the above.
All of the above. It'd be hilarious if it's completely different to this. Testing it out.
Yeah, it's good.
B-roll, baby. B-roll. I've literally been obsessed watching all the van tours and looking at all the different layouts. We've literally planned everything to a T, and it gets to a point where you go, we're just going to have to do it now. We know that there's going to be things that are going to be teething problems. We know that there are probably going to be things that if we were to do it again, we'd do it different, but just got to get it done.